EPA, WA meteorologist Bobby Martin here with your outlook for the weekend, May 22nd and 23rd, 2021. The weekend video forecast is sponsored by Bosergeist Brewing Company. It is the end of Lehigh Valley Beer Week, ending today, May 22nd, Saturday, May 22nd. Stop in and see them. They are at 1250 Simon Boulevard in Easton, very close to Lafayette College. We're going to be very hot this weekend, and it's a good weekend for beer because it's you're going to need not that that quenches your thirst in the same way. You're not supposed to hydrate with beer, unless you're an avid beer drinker. You would beg to differ. But, it's going to be hot this weekend. As you can see next to me here in the video, we have 86 to 90 degrees today as a spread for temperatures. And a little bit hotter even still on Sunday, 88 to 93 is the spread in temperature. So a lot of our bigger cities will hit 90. Kind of a backwards day still here on Friday with the short points. We had that little backdoor cold front, and the interior locations were a little bit warmer than the areas farther east. So it was 75 today in Atlantic City. It was 83 in Philadelphia. But then when you get up to Allentown, it was 86. You go up a little bit further than that to Wilkes-Barre, Williamsport, they were up to 89. So the further northwest you went, the hotter it was. Today will be more traditional. Okay, so these temperatures here are going to be north to south, and same thing here for Sunday as we get into an offshore flow this time. No backdoor cold fronts to deal with. But we will have an opportunity on each day. I don't have it listed here for Sunday because I'm not really sold about Sunday yet. I think the cold front's going to arrive too late. But there is a slight chance here for Sunday to see an afternoon isolated thunderstorm in a few spots. But I think today you'll have that opportunity with a shortwave moving through the region. It's going to be still high pressure and control, though, so it's going to be hard to get the coverage of precipitation for most of us. If you are lucky enough to get under the shower or thunderstorm this afternoon, it will provide some relief, not only for the temperatures and abate the temperatures temporarily, but will also help with the drought situation that is starting to build. We're not quite at a drought level yet, but we're getting close, and it's awfully dry, as evidenced by some of the brown lawns starting to creep up around the region. But here is the NAM high-res future simulator radar. I'm going to start this off at 2 p.m. and move it forward from here. So right around 3, 4 o'clock, you see some pop-up stuff here. And again, if you're lucky enough, these are very few and far between. So if you're lucky enough to get under one of these, you could get a quick burst of rain or a thunderstorm with this as it moves off to the south and east. This goes right into very early evening, and then it wraps up. As far as activity here on Sunday, here's your Sunday wave coming through. It does have like a semblance of a line trying to form here later in the day, but this is to get toward the evening, and this might be coming in too late. We'll see. It kind of runs out of steam. So maybe our northern areas could most benefit from something, maybe from an isolated shower or thunderstorm here later on Sunday. But the rest of us further south, go fish, okay? You're not going to get it. We need the rain. We're not getting rain, any substantial rain here in the week ahead, and it doesn't look like we have a chance for that until we get at least into the second half of Memorial Day weekend. Maybe. There's some timing differences with that wave, and we'll see how that works out. But right now it looks like this weekend is going to be mostly dry, except for that isolated chance on each day that I mentioned for a quick in and out thunderstorm, isolated in coverage. And the second, once we get to Monday's going to be a dramatic difference in temperature. So you're going to have temperatures going back down considerably. Remember, we're going to be 88 to 93 as a spread here on Sunday from north to south. Monday, you're going to be in the 70 to 72, 73 degree range. It's going to be pretty chilly, and that's because it's going to be cloudy the whole day. You're going to have a frontal boundary situated off the southwest. This is going to be the same boundary that moves through Sunday night. It's a cold front, sits off to our south. A little bit of cool air sitting up here over southeastern Canada is going to spill down while those cloudy conditions are present. You're going to generally be in the lower 70s for highs here on Monday. Then we have a warm front that's going to push through here on Tuesday, so we have partly to mostly cloudy skies Tuesday after a mainly cloudy day Monday. And I don't think there's any precipitation with that here on Tuesday, but temperatures are going to start to rebound a little bit and get into the upper 70s to near 80 by the time we get to Tuesday. Then we have another day like Sunday coming in on Wednesday. Wednesday is going to be another one of those days where you have some very warm temperatures, and looks like we're going to be in the same boat we're in here today. Kind of, I think even more areas may get to 90 or above than we'll see on Sunday. Actually, we're forecasting a high of 94 degrees in Philadelphia here for Wednesday. So it's going to be quite hot in the middle of the week. And then we have a cold front that's going to move through here on Thursday. And with that, here's that cold front. There could be some showers and thunderstorms with this. This would be nice. If it looks like this is a decent amount of rain with that. So that's good. We could definitely use that. This is Thursday into Friday here. And then Thursday into Thursday night, I'm sorry. And then once you get to Friday, we have high pressure moving in. And we're back to mostly sunny skies. And as of right now, it looks like the start of the weekend is dry on Saturday. Again, there's still some question about this. The European model wants to bring it in on Saturday. The GFS is saying Sunday, so we'll see how this plays out. But there's another wave that's going to be coming at us here. Looks like later in the holiday weekend. So this is there's a big difference between run to run, model to model, and run to run. And each model, they'll show nothing, at all here on Saturday, and the previous run it did. So it's kind of back and forth with that. When we get closer to Memorial Day weekend, I'll give you a better idea. So keep following us throughout the week with these daily forecast videos. I'll give you what's to expect over the holiday weekend. I did do the long range yesterday. It does look like we're going to have near to slightly above average temperatures, so kind of like 78 to 82-ish. So not bad at all as far as temperatures are concerned. But over the holiday weekend, it looks like we're not going to be quite as hot as we are right now. But we'll be on either side of 80 degrees, it looks like, for highs on several of those days. So we just have to work on precipitation to see what days it's going to rain or not. Again, we could use the rain, but if it's going to interrupt some plans that people may have over that weekend, there's some people that are looking at it selfishly and saying, hey, as long as my party on Saturday or Sunday or Monday, or as long as that's good, I don't care if it rains the rest of the weekend. Hey, we might get lucky with that, but we'll see. As I get closer to this, I will narrow that down, and that's probably going to be throughout the early to middle part of next week. We'll have that figured out. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martish. That is your outlook for the weekend, May 22nd and 23rd, 2021. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.